Hi, this is Mike Wallach with Trimec, and today I want to show you the Discard Duplicates command in Draftsight. You can find it on the Drafting and Annotation workspace Home tab, nested right here under the Delete button, Discard Duplicates. Or you can access it through the keyboard just by typing DIS and letting it autocomplete, or you can type the AutoCAD equivalent alias, Overkill. I'm going to select entities, but first let me show you what this command is for. So I'm going to select my border here, and you can see that I've got a bunch of little broken segments. I've got overlapping entities, little individual lines. Here I highlighted what should have been just 3 lines, and I've got 22 selected. This is a mess, and I've got more of this over on the other side. Broken line segments, overlapping lines. Here on my silk screen, I have what should be one arc, and I've actually got multiple arcs. There are 3 different arcs in there where there should really just be one. Similar situation up here. So this drawing is a mess. So let's go ahead and use Discard Duplicates and fix this. I want to allow it to combine overlapping entities into single ones, combine collinear entities aligned end to end, and I want it to ignore layer and line color. Okay, this is the tolerance. Anything that is closer than that value will be assumed overlapping and merged together. So let's see what it's done. I did have different layers for my lines here, but now, in all of that, I've just got 3 lines. I can select this over here. I have 4 lines making up my entire border. No longer have any overlaps there. Let's take a look at those arcs. Okay. I have a single arc here and a single arc here. I can also be confident now that if there were any of these cases of pads or holes that had been copied unnecessarily, then those duplicates are gone as well. I hope that's useful to you. Have a good day.